Crayola glitter dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.
The Crayola Glitter Dots expert. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Glitter Dots Sparkle Station! Let's see what we have inside. Wow, look how many different glitter dots you get with this set. Okay, it looks like we have classic colors. Whoa, and tropical colors. Okay, a mat. Ooh, a trinket box. Oh, it looks like we can decorate it and fill it with almost anything. Stick around to the end of the video so you can see how I decorated my trinket box. Looks like they gave us a couple of clear roller sheets. Crayola really thinks of everything. Ooh, note cards. Again, you can decorate these any way you like. Okay, this is the hand roller. So this is what we're gonna use to roll out all our glitter dots. We also have a craft tool. This way we can be super precise. This is gonna come in really handy later. And it comes with a ton of different shape cutters. We have moons, stars, hearts, flowers, a leaf. Ooh, it's a little jewel. And this is the roller tool. You use it with the cutting wheels. They give you tons of different cutting wheels because you can make different designs in your glitter dots. Well, let's get started. I think I'm gonna use the orange from the tropical colors. Wow, so satisfying. And I think I'm gonna do a star because we're all stars! It's like making cookies. And I'm gonna use my crafting tool to make sure that I get the perfect star.
Look at that, so easy, so sparkly and no mess.
This is a great hack. Clean up your glitter with your glitter dot, like this. I think I'm gonna do one of my favorite hacks and mix them all together. I'm gonna combine all sorts of tropical colors, put all the cutting wheels on, and see what happens. Wow, look at all those tropical colors squished together. This feels incredible. It looks so cool, like confetti. Ooh, let's use this cute little moon. Yay! And look at that. Perfect little moon. If you thought all of this was great, if you love the Sparkle Station, you should see what I made earlier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you can see all of our glitter dot videos. Bye!
Crayola glitter dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.